guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Travis and I'm back again with another video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, make sure you like, comment and subscribe and go check out all my other videos. Today we're back again with another series of cooking with Travis, and today we're going to be making a peanut butter and jelly surprise. Give this video a thumbs up and comment in below what you think, and any ideas you guys want me to cook or try or look at, leave them in the comments or send me the links and I will check them out. So let's get straight into this video. So let me show you the ingredients that we have today. So we have peanut butter, we have strawberry jam, we have butter, we have the Just Roll pastry sheets, we have eggs, and we have ice and sugar as well. Also have roller and all the utensils that we need to kind of make this. So the first thing that I have done is basically I've pre-set the oven up so it's warm, so once the pastry goes in, it cooks straight away. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to open the pastry out onto our mat here. So now that I've placed the pastry onto this sheet, you're going to get your cutter and you're basically going to cut it into the portions that you want it to be in. Obviously right now I'm going to do like this, and then we're going to cut it like this as well. That's basically how it's been cut. Let me show you guys so you can see. It's been cut like that. So what you want to do now is you want to basically get your butter and you want to melt some butter so you can just glaze over the pastry. Again, with this video, it's all about how you want to do it. For me, I'm all about having fun again, so just enjoy the process. For me, this video is actually a spontaneous video, guys. Like I just said, I just want to do it, so I'm actually trying it like so. So once your butter has been melted, you just want to basically glaze over the pastry like this. You want to open your strawberry jam. You want to place maybe a spoonful right here. There. On pieces. So. Again, this is actually depending on how much you guys want to put. So whatever you guys want to put that in there. You then want to open your peanut butter and you want to do the same thing. So this is basically how it looks. You guys a closer look so you guys can see. Whoa. So guys, now what you want to do is you want to place this pastry right on top of this pastry like this. Like that. Just like that. What you do is you want to push that in. Ends are covered in like this. Cover all the edges, like just slightly pat it down. So you don't want nothing to kind of escape out the packet. So now what you want to do is you want to basically go around each of the pastries and you just basically want to do this. Go on the sides. Just make sure you cover the whole pastry. So basically guys, now what we're going to do is we're going to crack an egg so we can brush over the pastry. Cooking mama vibes, you get me? Remember I said cooking mama vibes. Jeez. So then what you want to do is, you want to get your brush, and you just want to go over the pastry. So guys, now basically I'm about to put the pastries into the oven now. I've actually buttered the tray, but you can either put foil or you can use the baking paper. It's up to you, but I prefer to use the butter because it's easier to take off. So it's gonna go in the oven for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. So we'll see when it's finished. I'm very happy with how it has come out. It looks really good. Only issues I'll probably say is that I didn't seal it properly. So obviously guys, if you guys do make this recipe, make sure you guys seal the pastry properly, because then obviously the jam will come out. But other than that, I'm very, 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 very happy with how that came out. So I'm excited to try this. And yes. I basically made a tea on this for Travis. Also, for like design purposes, you can just put a little bit of ice and sugar on top, a little sprinkle, not too much, because it's going to be already sweet. Why are you looking like that? That's basically how it looks, which is really nice, nothing too heavy. Guys, now we're going to give this a try. We're gonna cut straight in. See how they do like a MasterChef when they break the piece down properly? That's what we're gonna do now. So we're gonna so that's what it looks like inside. So if you can see, wait, let me try to open up a little bit more. That's what it looks like inside. So let's give this a try. Hot.
A few moments later.
Nice. And it's hot, so it's hot. I would give this I'll probably give this like I'll probably give this maybe a 6.5 out of 10, mainly because I think maybe I should have done the pastry a bit smaller. Secondly, I thought that the jam and the peanut butter were kind of merged together in the pastry a little bit. So the way that I've done it, I should have kind of maybe merged them together already, which would really kind of made the flavors come together. But it's really nice, and give it a try, guys. You never know, you might like it. But also, add your own ingredients inside. You know, you might want to add just jam. You know, we might want to add some coconut or peanut butter, or maybe bananas. You know, so it's all about having fun and trying different things. But yeah, I'll give this video a 6.5 out of 10. It's actually really nice. It's just it's a little bit powerful, and I think the size of it and the portion of the side was a lot as well. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and go check out all my other videos. I will see you guys in the next